Hi traders, in this video we're looking at the super signal channel indicator for MT4 and MT5. This dual band channel tool identifies support and resistance levels using short-term price movements, displaying green and red dots for buy and sell signals respectively, alongside dynamic channel lines. In this video you'll see how the channel works and how signal dots are interpreted. The super signal channel indicator employs a dual band channel that identifies actual price support and resistance levels calculated using short-term price movements. It functions by creating dynamic lines that encapsulate price action, providing insight into potential support and resistance levels, like a highway with clear lanes where the channel lines act as boundaries within which price might travel. Vibrant dots colored green or red signal potential buy or sell opportunities, acting as traffic lights on your trading highway, with green for go long and red for go short. The super signal channel displays two dynamic lines on the chart, typically green for the upper boundary and red for the lower boundary, creating a visual envelope around price action. Green arrows appears as buy signals showing entry points for long positions below, while red arrows serve as warnings for sell trade entries above. The channel adapts continuously to changing market conditions, with the lines and dots providing both directional cues and visual boundaries for trend analysis. For buy entry, price action should be trading with an ascending channel, with a green dot appearing near the channel lower trend line, ideally confirmed using an oscillator RSI below 70 to avoid overbought conditions. Stop loss should be placed below the lower trend line of the channel, with target profit levels varying based on risk tolerance and trading style. For sell signals or entries, price action should be in a descending channel with a red dot near the upper trend line, confirmed using MACD showing a bearish crossover with stop loss above the upper trend line. As you can see in the chart, these arrows for sell signals. The super signal channel is suitable for traders, particularly those new to technical analysis, who want a user-friendly tool that combines trend recognition with clear entry signals. Its strength lies in its visual interface, trend detection capabilities, and potential to guide trading decisions with both channels boundaries and directional dots. However, it is essential to acknowledge limitations such as potential repainting and lagging signals, so the indicator should be used with additional confirmation and proper risk management. You can download the Super Signal channel indicator for MT4 and MT5 using the links in the description below. This indicator overview from the Forex Geek highlights how the dual band channel with color-coded signal dots can simplify trend identification and provide clear buy and sell opportunities. If you like channel indicators with built-in signal dots, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 and MT5 tutorials.